There you go. So we got another coat on this now. Now it's really starting to take shape. Sealed up. All inside of these guys, even these little crevices. All sealed really nice. All the way around. Now how many places do you go work? And look at this spread the homeowners did. Look at that. Man, it's like I'm in a 5-star restaurant. This is super awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, these people are so good to us. Yep, it's that one. There you go. You good?
Yes.
Now, turn on that big one, the rain head.
There in the line.
Everything look good up there, bro?
Yeah.
You can feel that heat.
I
Yeah.
smell the heat.
Yep, that's good.
So you ran all of them? Let me run.
We got a test plug in that. That's going to be your mist. Woo! All right.
Handheld.
Now we need there's the handheld. Now we need
It's all.
that one. That's the flood. Good?
Good. That flood's the only one that sprays water there.
All right.
That's good.
Looks good.
Might want to bring.
All right, so let's talk about our waterproofing in there on that shower floor real quick. So if this was our subfloor, what we had, we went down with a tar paper to block the floor from sucking the water out of that deck mud. Right after, we went down with diamond lath. So chicken wire, whatever you want to call it, to make that deck mud stronger. And we went with Ladder Creek membrane. So we got the Ladder Creek membrane, we got the band, and we got the 4 corners. So that's what we chose for our shower floor with the FX Flow drain. All that worked out really well. We were able to seal around that drain with the membrane and everything. Now, earlier when we showed you, we were testing all this out with good reason. We wanted to be able to see every one of these fittings, all in behind here, going up, and even up top. That's why Tom was sitting up there earlier. We wanted to test everything, pressurize all that, get all the air out, make sure everything was working correctly. So when we threw some water up here on the wall, just from the splash, everything like that, we came in here with a blower for a couple hours and let all that dry out before we continued on. Now we've got this wall wrapped up. We're going to be adding pieces in between, up above. We'll be doing these beams here later, and we're going to go ahead and block above and below the diverter here and go ahead and get the rest of this up, because remember, this is staying open up here. So I'm going to switch over and start sealing all this. All right, so look, in dealing with the Ladder Creek membrane, we used the LHT Plus to bond that guy to our to the deck mud and everything. But look, I want to show you something. This is a piece of the Sluter membrane. Watch this. I got that to rip. So yeah, good luck. Yeah. Yeah, that's why this Ladder Creek membrane is much tougher than that Sluter. I kid you not. Try for yourself. Don't take my word for it. But I am telling you. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to try same again. I'm telling you. Try it. Much tougher. Much tougher product. To Lighter Creek. Just the toughness alone. Well, I got that. My fingers are sore now, Tom. I'm telling you, try it out. Take your little scrap piece. Take your little scrap piece. Try to tear both of them. You'll be able to tear this. You won't be able to tear that Lighter Creek. Where'd our duck go? Oh, he's over there chilling. Throw some water in there. Hey, Tom, where's our other duck? This duck's lonely.
I got a bigger one.
He needs a buddy. All right.
I got a big yellow one. You just put a piece of go board on it.
There you go.
Like a boat.
And we got baby duck and what was that? Mama duck?
Yeah.
Mama duck, baby duck. There you go.
The blue one.
Oh, he's upside down.
Oh, ducky.
What's that, about 15 gallons?
20.
20. 20 it is. All right. It's looking good. All right, y'all. Check it out. We're done. Done for the day. Everything is wrapped up. Finished up. Be starting the rock tile tomorrow down on the floor. Got about 20 gallons of water in here. After it was finished, a couple spots with the deck mud, we went ahead and went over it with thin set. So anybody, thinking about voiding a warranty and this and that, tell you your warranty's only as good as the person writing it. So we are 20 gallons in. Ain't leaking, ain't gonna leak, looking pretty. We're happy. It's either gonna leak or it ain't. It's that simple. So we overdo a lot of stuff in here for obvious reasons, but this sucker right here is good. It's ready. I'll put a lot of hard work into it. Now we're getting ready to start with all that rock tomorrow. Check it out. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll be coming back tomorrow with the rock going on the floor and start working these walls up. Mike, our electrician, being here tomorrow. We got some cool surprises coming tomorrow after he gets in and gets out. So, as usual, we'll see y'all back on the next one.